Hi, welcome back. We're doing a remote control learning for a vision alarm system. It's a VAE 317 1600, I think it was, off by heart. So there's two ways of doing it. One is if you've got an existing remote that still works, we can program one way and with that one. Okay, so let me show you to do it with that one, and then I program it again with one with an existing remote that works. Okay, so what you're going to do is, if you haven't got one, so locate your module, and it should has a loom that comes out with three fuses on it. Okay, two will be identical, probably about a 15 amp, and they're normally for your indicators, and the other one with the red wire on it is your power to it. Okay, so what happens, we've located ready, so let's have a look. And over here we've got three of them, so two of the green and one with the red on it. Okay, so what happens is the red trace, see, it's red wire and two greens. So what happens is we'll pull the wire, the fuse out of there. Okay, and we'll give it about 10 seconds or so, and then we'll plug it back in. Now that will activate the alarm again, but it would be on standby mode. Okay, and then we're going to show you how to program it in. So let me just quickly plug it back in, and I quickly rush to the other side there. So all you got to do is open up the driver's door. Okay, turn on the ignition from off to all the way to on, and back off again. Okay, that count as one. Okay, so you got to do that 20 times with these alarms, okay, before it works. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why is it working? Okay. Maybe I've taken too much time, too long. Okay, so what happened is, got to disconnect the fuse, open up the driver's door straight away, and then it gives you like a 10-second interval of getting into there. So let's try that again quickly. Okay, so I'm just gonna disconnect the fuse from this side here so I can quickly run back on this side. So yeah, disconnect the fuse again, give it a good 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as soon as I plug it back in, I've got a 10-second window, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now on the 20th turn, so from 0 to on to back off again, that's count as 1. You got to go to 20 times because that gets into the programming mode, and once it's 20 times and you go back to off, the indicator is going to flash 20 times. Now it allows you to program the in. See, so when I press that on the main button, which is number 1 and that's number 2, the indicator just flash. Okay, that means it's programmed in. So you can do that to how many remote you want. Normally you can program up to 4. Okay, so we've done those and the indicators flash. Okay, now if you don't do anything for the next 10 to 15 seconds, it's going to get exit the mode by flashing the indicators. Okay, otherwise if you turn on the ignition back and back off again, that will exit the programming mode again. So on, back off, and now the indicators flashes 3 times. That's just to let you know that you're out of the programming mode. Okay, so if we can come around this way, I can show you now with one remote. Okay, so and I'll show you how to do it with one existing remote. Okay, so in 2 seconds I'm just going to close the door on the other side, and then we're going to show you with one working remote. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, now that we've got programmed the first one in that works. Okay, so that works now. Before we had no working remote. Now we've got one working remote. So just say, for instance, you normally get 2 remotes with every alarm. If you lose one, you have got to do it that way. But if you still got one, but you only lost one of them, so you want to program, so you got 2 again. So what happened is, quickly arm. Okay, so you can't get in, and then unarm it. Once you unarm it, okay, go in here and put the key in. Program it two at the same time then. Now we've got two of them going. Okay. So that's it, guys. Just programming two, program both at the same time, so they link up at the same time. But yeah, you can only normally program 4 remote per alarm, so that's the maximum you can get. Okay. Hope you like the thing. Help you out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.